What's going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 Xerjoffs that I feel that are just perfect fragrances, perfect Xerjoff fragrances for a beginner, someone that's wanting to get into Xerjoff. If you know me, and if you've been following my page, my Instagram and TikTok, I love Xerjoff. Xerjoff is my favorite niche brand. Shit, it's my favorite fragrance house probably of all time. I have 20 bottles of Xerjoff, and I wanted to talk about 5 that I think are perfect for if you want to get into Xerjoff. They have like really easy, mass appealing fragrances that I'm gonna showcase today. They also have, like, you know, darker, more for the novice, you know, the ones that have been into fragrances for, you know, a long period of time. Anyway, so let's kick it off with the first fragrance. This fragrance I'm going to talk about is a citrus-based kind of green fragrance, Xerjoff Renaissance. Xerjoff Renaissance is part of the 1861 line. This right here is lemon citruses, lemon verbena. It's like a aromatic. This is a sexy fragrance, like springtime happiness in a bottle. Summertime happiness in a bottle is what I describe this. So yeah, right off the top, you're gonna get blasted with some nice citrus, kind of orangey vibes, and then you're gonna get musk. You're gonna get some woods. But this is a classy, sexy, seductive summertime fragrance. Easy to wear. It has good performance, but it's just light. It's not hard to wear. Hence, you know, the top 5. One of the top 5 fragrances to check out in the house of Xerjoff that are for beginners. So yeah, the first one, absolutely, I love. This is my top 5. This isn't my top 5 list, by the way, but this is in my top 5. That is Xerjoff Renaissance. Such a beautiful fragrance. This is a creamy, again, citrus with a little bit of hint of coffee. I'm talking about Uden Overdose. Uden Overdose. They have Uden, and then they have Uden Overdose. This right here is Uden Overdose. This gives you kind of the vibes of like a Chanel Allure Homme, mixed with like Edition Blanche kind of vibes. It is citrusy, it's creamy. The Uden Overdose, this has some coffee. This is a fantastic summer, springtime fragrance. This is also kind of like, if you want to like put on like like weddings, date, special occasion type of stuff, because the original Uden is lighter. Uden Overdose, this one right here, has that coffee. It's so good. And again, another just kind of easy to wear, citrus, musky, woody fragrance. So yeah, make sure you if you any of the 5 right here, this is one of the top ones I recommend checking out. That is Uden Overdose. And by the way, the bottle is sexy as hell. This is a very popular Xerjoff fragrance. Mint, some basil, tarragon, aromatics. It's very, very fresh. Summertime in the bottle. Torino 21. This is happiness, summertime, beach vibes in a bottle. The mint is super, super, super realistic. Like crushed up mint and citruses, some lemon. It's very bright and aromatic and just fresh up top. Fresh. Like, I mean, one of the freshest, almost cooling to the nose fragrance in the Xerjoff collection, in my opinion. This is one of my newest additions to my Xerjoff collection, and I am so happy to have this bottle. They also have Torino 22, Torino 23, but and also join the club edition, or join the club line. But yeah, fantastic fragrance to add to your collection. That is Torino 21. So I'm saving the best for last. This is number 4. This is a neroli orange green fragrance. talking about Neo. This is in the Shooting Stars collection. What's cool about the Shooting Stars collection is when you get the fragrance in, you know, you get the nice beautiful casket, but in the Shooting Stars you also get a piece of a meteorite. Super cool for like collectors and stuff. But this is an orangey, neroli, musky, woody. Gives you like hints of like neroli Portofino, like in that vein. Very beautiful, citrusy, musky, woody fragrance. Again, easy to wear. This stuff is really good. They have another one. I have another one in my collection that's a little more woody. This one's a little more fresh and citrusy. That one's called a Kobe, but this one Neo is my favorite out of the between Neo, Kobe, and they're the neroli collection. Anyways, very, very good fragrance to add to your collection. That is Xerjoff Neo. I saved the best for last. If you're gonna get into Xerjoff, this is the #1 fragrance to add to your collection. This is the staple in the Xerjoff line, the most popular. You guys, you probably already know what it's gonna be. My favorite fragrance of all time, Xerjoff Naxos. And what can I say about this? Sex appeal. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. I love this stuff. Matter of fact, I'm getting this one on skin. So let me talk you through it, because I love talking Xerjoff. I could talk Xerjoff all day long. I love the bottles, the cap, the scent profile, the story behind it. You get honey, lavender, that beautiful aromatic lavender, honey, tobacco, vanilla sweetness. If you can't tell, this is my happy fragrance. I love this fragrance. This is 100 out of 10. I have 2 bottles. I will never run out of this. But if you are going to get into Xerjoff, this is the one fragrance you have to run and go get. I will drop a link down below. I'll try to get the cheapest price, but let me repeat this. The #1 fragrance in the Xerjoff line for you to get, I'm looking at you, Naxos. You have to get it. I understand the hype. I understand people talk about it all the time, but the hype is warranted. I love this stuff. Take my word for it. Lavender, vanilla, tobacco, honey, sweet goodness. I love the lavender aromatic touch to it. You get a wisp of like that smooth air lavender. I can get this in your collection. It's beautiful. Date night, you wear this. This is a first impression. If you want to make a first impression, this is the fragrance to wear. Just add it to your collection. Xerjoff Naxos. I could have done more, but I just wanted to showcase 5 easy to wear fragrances to get for Xerjoff. If you want me to showcase more, drop it down in the comments and let me know. And yeah, it just, at least please just let me know what your favorite Xerjoff is. Like I said, I have 20 of them. I love talking Xerjoff. If you want to see more Xerjoff videos, let me know down in the comments, and make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification, and that way you can just stay connected, and I'm gonna be uploading some more videos. And as you can see, I love talking Xerjoff. Anyways, guys, Naxos, pick it up.